This is a little before video of the light, or lack of it, coming into this bathroom. And the reason is that the cypress trees outside have got too tall and they're blocking the light out. So the outside of the bathroom window, and I think you can see the problem. And there is the wheelbarrow for scale. So you can see the height of the hedge, and that's the height it will be now. We've taken off 4 foot, and tomorrow we'll be doing this lot behind us. So quick video showing you the height now. Bathroom window's getting a lot more light. Done the inside too, and tomorrow it's this lot.